In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview site Weebly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can safely check your site before publishing anything live. First, make sure you're in your Weebly account and looking at the main dashboard for your sites. From here, head to the overview for the site you want to check. The overview is your home base for that specific site. It gives you quick access to everything related to that project, so it's the best place to start when you want to take a look at how things are coming together. Once you're on the overview, look for the website option and click it. This takes you into the sites area where you can manage content, settings, and design. If you manage multiple sites, double check that you've selected the correct one. The site name and thumbnail usually help confirm you're in the right place. Next, click Edit Site. This opens the Weebly editor, where you can see your content in a layout that's close to what visitors will experience. Give the editor a moment to load, especially if your site has a lot of images or apps. You'll notice your pages, elements, and theme options arranged in a workspace that you can customize as needed. When you're ready to see how everything looks without the editing tools, click Preview. You'll typically find the Preview button at the top of the editor. Preview mode strips away the editing interface and shows your site as a visitor would see it, without actually publishing any changes. This is a great way to verify spacing, fonts, images, and navigation behavior. Scroll through your pages, click links, and interact with buttons or forms to make sure everything feels smooth and intuitive. A quick tip: if a change you just made doesn't appear in preview, give it a second for autosave to finish, then refresh the preview. Also, remember that previewing is different from publishing. Nothing you see in preview is visible to the public until you publish. That makes preview the perfect place to catch typos, check alignment, and confirm that your design works as intended. When you're done reviewing, close the preview to return to the editor and make any final tweaks. Repeat the preview as often as you like until you're confident everything is exactly right. Once you're satisfied, you'll be ready to move on to publishing when the time is right. That's it. Simple and effective. Thanks for watching and happy building.